In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a budget in Xero. From the top bar of the Xero dashboard, locate and click on Reporting. When the drop-down menu appears, select All Reports. Once you're in the Reports section, find and select Budget Manager. When Budget Manager opens, your overall budget may already be displayed by default. To create a new budget, locate Select Budget at the top left of the screen. Click on Select Budget, then choose Add New Budget from the menu. Next, enter a name for your new budget. Choose a name that clearly identifies the budget so it can be recognized later. After entering the budget name, blue fields will appear on the screen. These are the fields where you enter the financial data for your new budget. Enter the appropriate numbers into these fields, then review your entries to make sure they are accurate. If you need to forecast sales or make financial projections, you can use the formula option available next to entered values. When a value has been entered, look for the arrow that appears beside it. Click on this arrow to access the available formulas. Use the formulas to enter the required projections for the relevant financial figures. Once you've completed the necessary entries and reviewed the information, continue to the final step. Click Apply to save the new budget. This will add the budget to your financial reports. Before selecting Apply, make sure the budget name and all entered figures are correct. Once everything has been reviewed, click Apply to complete the process. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching.